world, this is Randomfix, and today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This happens to be a 2017 Sprinter, and we're going to be changing this particular air filter. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and start this and finish it, and it's going to take less than 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and get this started. With your hood open, you're going to need to go ahead and remove these screws over here, and these are actually going to be T25s, and you want to go ahead and get all these loosened up here, or you can get yourself a set like this, and I got the T25 loaded up on here. And the most important thing is this is okay to remove it, but whenever you're installing it, you want to go ahead and hand tighten it. So with the 7 T25 Torx removed, what you want to do is come over here, unplug this harness, which you're just pushing at the end right here, where my finger is, and it slides off. The same thing with this one. And then you can grab a 10mm or a flathead screwdriver, undo this, remove this right off here. With that removed, you want to just go ahead and pop this up. And watch out here. There's a little harness that you don't want to disconnect. Flip that over, and now you're going to be able to grab your dirty air filter out of here. And this is going to be your dirty air filter. So this is only after 8,000 miles. And what I like to do is go ahead and clean up the actual box here from all these leaks and contamination, and make sure that nothing actually goes down that tube right there. So I'll go ahead and block this off with a rag or anything else, just to make sure the dirt does not make it down into the intake. And you want to make sure you get that rag removed before you reassemble everything. If not, you're going to have a huge problem. Alright, so that pipe is blocked off. I got a little blower. The box is nice and somewhat clean now. Now I got my new air filter. Go ahead and pop that in here. And what I did to get myself good access, I went ahead and got myself a little stepping stool like this. Or if you want, on these Mercedes-Benz Sprinters, they actually have a little step you can actually climb on top. And I often use this to go ahead and clean the windshield because it's a little far up. You want to make sure you get this out of the way as well. And the next part is pretty easy. You want to get the cover top actually pretty high up and kind of drop it in there. And you want to make sure the back latches. Then when you put the cover back on, you want to make sure that you hand tighten these screws, not power torque them. And once you put the cover back on, you want to go ahead and hand tighten these screws up and kind of try to go around from the different angles and try to center it. These are all tight now. You want to go ahead and pop the clips back on. Tighten that up as well. So we got the intake hosing back on here. It's nice and tight. The clips are on. The bag is removed. We got a new air filter in there. And the real trick to putting this in, there's a little lever in the back, kind of, so when you pop the top in, you'll see them actually line up. And there's 4 of them, and that's how you actually get that in. So keep doing what you're doing and changing your air filter out like this, especially if you use your Sprinter for RVing and different purposes, is definitely going to extend the life of your whole engine. Keep your throttle body clean, maintain your miles per gallon, keep your AC system from getting frozen over, keep your selector at 9 o'clock or 3 o'clock. These are the best 2 positions for the Sprinter. Alright guys, I hope the video helps you guys out. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll have a link to any of the products that I use in the description box below. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and smash on that notification bell. If the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And thanks again for watching. Have a fantastic day. Hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate your continued support.